I was thinking I should spend some time with the horses that you can find all across the main roads. From what I heard, the horses are very friendly and they look very cute, so we'll see what happens when I get close to them. Hopefully they don't bite, but I don't think so. They look very friendly. They're very idle and don't know what they're doing. Just stand there and look at the grass. Maybe I have more luck over there. Oh no, the horse is moving away. Oh, they're all moving away. Oh, they're so cute. Hi there. Oh, hey there. Very hungry. Oh, hey. Bruh. Bruh. I'm not really experienced with petting horses. This is the first time, so I don't know what they like or dislike. I just do a lot of touching and maybe that works, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. You want? Oh, hey! The white one is very needy, I think. As soon as I turned to the brown one, he bumped me to get attention again. I think he likes it. He's the first. Whoa, he's the first horse that doesn't like run away all the time. Okay, no, it looks like he likes this one. So this one, yeah? Yeah?
My hand is almost black already. Looks like they really like more force. I used way too little force previously because they push themselves so much into the fence. I like the white horse. It's very well behaving. Doesn't try to snap me all the time like the other horses do. So what about you? What about you? Huh? This is what my hands look like after petting a horse, a white horse. Yeah, very good coloring. I like the finish. Oh. Goodbye horses, has been awesome. My hand is fully dirty, but was worth it, so see you next time. No, maybe? Leave a like? Leave a like? No? Maybe you do, maybe not. Dislike? Oh.